Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to share with you guys how you guys can make money on YouTube. So for you guys that are new to this channel, my name is Navid. I'm an online marketer. I'm doing affiliate marketing and the YouTube and review product and so many stuff on YouTube and affiliate marketing and I'm very interesting to teach the people how they can earn commission online and how they can grow their online business. I knew so many techniques about business online, so why not I sharing my experience with you guys that you guys can get a benefit from this video and you guys can use for your online business. So you guys can subscribe to my YouTube channel if you guys interested to watch more videos. I upload the videos every week and about affiliate marketing, YouTube, and so many stuff about online business. And I hope you guys get some benefit from these videos and use for your online business. So how to make money on YouTube? So I want to give you some example about how you guys can make money on YouTube. The first one I is review Amazon product. So what is the review Amazon product? For example, if you have a product in the Amazon in mind and you want to recommend for some group of people that they looking for this kind of product, or any specific niche or books or whatever you're looking to sell for the people or review for the people online, and basically the people going to Amazon and purchase the product, and your your affiliate links is in your on your YouTube description, and when the people review the product they going to your description on your channel and they purchase the product. I'm going to give you an example. I just got an example for you guys already. So for example, I type in the Google in the YouTube Amazon vacuum cleaner. So there is so many vacuum cleaner that you guys can look for, and for example, 8 amazing vacuum cleaner, top 10 best robotic vacuum cleaner, top 6 vacuum cleaners, 5 best vacuum cleaners in 2018, and this is all just comes up like maybe 5 months ago, 9 months ago, and they still making money. The people they are looking for good vacuum cleaner, they are going to these channels and purchase the product from the affiliate link from the description of this channel. For example, if I going to this channel and I watch the video and I you know see the video how it's explain the vacuum cleaner. See, so this is the example, the review for this product, and finally you guys can see the vacuum cleaner is in the description of this channel. So for example, if I want to click to this channel, they definitely take me through, and I can purchase this product from Amazon. Just a second. See, so this is the vacuum cleaner on the YouTube that we are watching the YouTube videos, and the explanation it could be about $515 for this product, for this vacuum cleaner. And once I purchased this product from Amazon, I'm going to get some uh, if the people wants to purchase from the product from the Amazon, and I will get some from the product. Okay, so this is how you can review the product on the Amazon, and once the people are looking to purchase the product, you will get some commission. So this is the number one, as I recommended, to make money on YouTube. Number two is influencer. For example, what is influencer? Influencer means you want to influence someone to learn how to make money online. So if you have some sort of uh, blog post or courses, online courses, or some stuff that you want to teach for the people how they can make money online, you guys can make a YouTube video about the lifestyle, about the tactics and techniques, about how you guys can uh, you know uh, earn commission online. If you know about blogging, you guys can teach the people on YouTube how they can blog, and so many stuff on YouTube that you can influence someone to learn the skills that you already got from your own. So that's how you guys can influence some people to learn from you, and teach those people, and you guys can uh, you know influence someone. And at the end of the YouTube videos, once you improve your YouTube channel, you can promote your online courses, promote your skills, so many stuff that you guys can do once your YouTube channel grows. So the second tactics that I wanted to share with you guys is influencer. So I definitely recommend if you want to start a YouTube channel, you are definitely must focus to influence someone to how they can start online business, or start some stuff that you have a skill about, and that's how your channel gonna grow. So the third method that I wanted to share with you guys is vlogger. Who is the vlogger? For example, I'm going to share with you guys some other things that vlogger can make money online. They have a different lifestyle, there are different opportunities. For example, I'm going to health and fitness. If I'm going to health and fitness, you guys can see there's channels about gym, about lifestyle, about people that they are looking for a different kind of stuff. If you're going to the channel, you guys can go and see how they are vlogging their lifestyle, and they earn online commission. So this is the vlogging channel. Once the people going to looking for some health and fitness, they are typing on the YouTube about health and fitness, and they got to these channels, and they gonna subscribe to these channels, and wants to learn about the lifestyle that these peoples are doing on the YouTube, and they can uh, they can copy the lifestyle that they want, and they can have their own lifestyle, and they can make a YouTube video and become one of these people on the YouTube, and that's how they do the vlogging. So these vloggers can earn online commission. They just promote some, maybe product, recipes, some affiliate links on their YouTube channel, and they earn good commission. So that is, sorry guys, that's how the people earn commission. And for a vlogger, like a vlogger, they can earn commission. Sorry guys. So what is, so the next one is online marketer. So what is online marketer? Online marketer is a combination from all those topics that I was sharing with you guys. You guys can combine everything together, sharing, doing influencing in the YouTube, doing product review on the YouTube, doing vlogger, doing vlog, sorry, on the YouTube, and this is all coming to the online marketer. So this is all about online marketer. It doesn't matter what are you a vlogger, are you an influencer, are you a product reviewer, or whatever you guys doing on the YouTube. This is the main thing that you have to focusing on. You are online marketer, whatever you're doing. You're affiliate marketer, you're doing Shopify, you're doing Amazon. The most important things is for you guys that learn about YouTube is once whatever you guys doing on the YouTube, you are online marketer. So you need to focus. If you want to make money fast from YouTube, you need to focus on one thing at a time, and trying to be good in one thing. And then once you earn some commission online, jump to another one, and that's how you grow. That's how your channel grow. That's how your skills gonna grow, and you are gonna be online marketer, the best online marketer. Once you learn so many things on YouTube, you can do so much stuff. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys get some benefit from this video, and if you guys want to learn about YouTube, about affiliate marketing and stuff online, I have my YouTube channel here. You guys can subscribe and hit the notification bells, and you guys can see the new videos that's coming up, and use for your online business. If you guys have any thoughts, any question, you guys can comment below. I'm happy to answer them, and I definitely see you in the next video.